so fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how I created this quick and easy makeup tutorial, and also I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I did my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and start with damp hair. I just got out of the shower not too long ago, and I'm gonna start by sectioning or putting away the upper part of my hair. And then the tool I'm using, it is a hair dryer with a brush included. This one is kind of old. I am planning to upgrade very soon, but it still does the job. Focus on the bottom part of the hair. If you notice, I'm rolling down the brush, and I do have it on the high setting, which is hot air. And practically that's all I'm gonna do all over. Just keep on pulling sections down until my hair is dry. Now when I work on the top part of my hair, I do blow dry it all over, practically to the front, to the side, and then I tilt the hair. Anyway, you can pretty much see here that I do have my hair all over the place, and I do dry it that way so my hair looks flexible in whatever direction I want to put it on. So right now I wasn't sure how I was gonna do it, if I was gonna do the parting on the side of or the middle. So I just went ahead and just blow dry it the way you see it here. And this is what you are going to end up with. It is not finished, which is totally okay, because now I'm gonna go ahead and take a break with the hair and move on to the makeup. Start with a freshly moisturized face, and of course go ahead and apply whatever primer you like at the moment. I am trying these glitter tears, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it all over my face. Also, I will be applying my foundation with a brush today, and what I did is that I went ahead and put in some setting spray on the brush just to make it softer. I did color correct my face, and now I'm gonna go ahead and work with my foundation. Today I'm using the True Match from Loreal. Notice that I am patting the foundation on my skin and not dragging it. If you do need more coverage, just go back and build it up. But when I do decide to do that, I went ahead and used the beauty blender just to apply it on the skin. For the concealer, I will be using the Shape Tape from Tarte, and I'm pretty much doing the same thing I always do. I go ahead and apply it on my black circles, mustache area, and whenever I have any flaws on the skin, and then I go ahead and just blend it out with a beauty blender. To settle everything in place, I will be using this translucent powder from Too Faced. It's called Born This Way, and I'm using a very soft brush just to put it all over the face, and then I will be using the setting spray. Following up with my brows, I'm using the Anastasia pomade, and I'm just filling in my brows, and after that I will be setting my brows with a gel. To make my eyebrows cleaner, I'll be using some concealer. Today I will be using these palettes. It's called the Gingerbread from Too Faced. It smells delicious. And I will be using 3 shadows only. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the transitional color, and it is a warm color. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the crease of the eye, and then with a flat brush I'm gonna go ahead and take this white shadow and I'm gonna apply it on the lid of the eye and also the brow bone. I'm gonna get a smaller brush and I will be applying the same shadow that we use as a transitional color, and I will be applying it on the bottom, underneath the bottom lash of the eye. And then to add some light to the eye look, I will be applying this glittery shadow right in the inner corner of the eye. Now I'm prepping my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and curl them first, and then I really like this trick recently, just underlining the upper waterline of the eye with black pencil. Before I had trouble doing this, but it seems that I'm doing just fine now. I am applying some primer on the bottom lashes because my lashes are so tiny you can't see them. And then to bronze my face, I will be using this blush from MAC, and I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks, jawline, and also forehead. Moving on to the blush, I will be using the one from Nars. And yeah, this one is really pretty, and it is pretty and soft, so it goes perfectly with this look. I will be using the Lasaholic lashes that I got in my BoxyCharm subscription, and then I will be using this combo from ColourPop for my lips. I really do like this combo. Yeah, it gives me that nude color, but just the right one. And I'm gonna top it off with a shiny type of lippy. For my lashes, just to make it look more connected, if you will, I'm gonna apply some of this black pencil on the inner corner of the eye, just so my lashes look better. And then for the hair, this is super easy. I just went back with the flat iron, and practically I'm just flat ironing the top part of the hair. I decided to do the parting in the middle, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure everything is nice and smooth. control my freeze, I will use this product. It's called Sleek and Shine. I'm just gonna apply it all over the hair, and yeah, that's gonna help me out with those crazy hairs that I have. Now that my lashes are dry, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara just on the root of the lashes, and to secure my lashes on the inner corner, I will be applying some glue just to make sure they're not gonna go anywhere. And my friends, this is the final look. I hope that you like this tutorial, and I'll see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.